Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix File Explorer not working on Windows. So let's begin. So if you're having trouble like your taskbar, your search bar, or your whenever you open uh, your folders and any files, sometimes they are very slow and they don't seem to work at all. So what you can do is simply close that. We need to go to the task manager. So hit Control Shift key without locking your computer. And then just need to look up for File Explorer. Usually it's just going to be showing up in here in the applications. Or you can scroll way to the bottom, which says W. So this is the Windows Explorer. Right click and then restart. Don't add task, but restart. Okay. It will flicker for a few seconds, the taskbar, and then you can try again and see if it works. Most likely it will, but if not, restart your computer, and that should be the easy fix. This or restarting your computer, it's the same. But that's it. I hope you found this video very helpful.